synom- synonymous with the communist movement. The Telangana People's Armed Struggle conducted between 1946-51 is worth a mention in world history. Caste and communal harmony flourished during this historical struggle, breaking the shakeless and untouchability. All the oppressed and downtrodden have united in waging these struggles, and as a result, they, they claimed they already they claimed 10 lakh acres of land. Bonded slavery has been abolished. The shakeless feudalism have been broken asunder. In Punjab struggle, where the wage until 1932 to fight for the rights of the serfs, the early Adivasi struggle, farmers struggle in Maharashtra, that was in 1945. The Ponnappa Vailar struggle in Kerala, the tribal farmer struggle in Tripura, the Surma Valley struggle. These struggles took place. Owning these struggles, social oppression in those areas is relatively lesser even today. Numerous movements are continuing in Haryana, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, West Bengal, Kerala, Tripura and Bihar. The left parties are condemning the murders being committed in North India under the name of Khap Panchayats. They have taken up parliamentary struggles opposing these Khap Panchayats. They have succeeded in taking up the cause of social oppression in the parliament as well as the state assemblies and bringing them to the notice of the respective governments. Thereby, getting inquiry commissions appointed, the left is continuing its struggles opposing the masquerade of Dalits and experiment of multinationals on tribal women. The left have continued to play a pivotal role in social movements even after we have attained independence. Social movements are imperative in India, a land of numerous castes and religions. The left is continuing to play a significant role in condemning and opposing the practices of preventing entry of Dalits into temples, the two-glass practice in hotels, and untouchability. It is evident that social oppression is relatively lesser in areas where such social movements have continued. Post 1991, social oppression is again on a rise due to the liberalization policies. There has been a restructuring of the means of productions due to the globalization. Identity politics have gained momentum owing to the weakening of the trade union movement. There is a lot of displacements in the name of development. The living standards of people have become pathetic due to primitive accumulation. This is categorically the politics of identity, the setback faced by socialism, the weakening of the communist and left forces in our country have paved way for the growth of identity politics. The politics of identity are causing more harm than good. It is only the left parties that are fighting against these policies of identity. It is again the left parties that are fighting against the efforts of bourgeois classes to grab away whatever pittance is left with the poor. The left parties have been fighting against the social oppression being caused as a result of transition in industrial capital into finance capital in the last decade. the developed countries are allocating huge funds to promote identity politics in our country. They are bringing about differences in the oppressed people due to their lack of awareness. They are enabling those capitalist parties that dance to their tune win. The time has come for the communists and left forces to unite and fight against these policies. We cannot fight back against identity politics without waging these struggles. We cannot see social oppression in the left ruled states. Efforts are underway to destabilize these left front governments by tactic of deceit. Today, the oppressed people are slowly recognizing the role of left forces. In these times, the left forces have to unite and march forward. They should prepare themselves to wage struggle and manually agreeable issues. The Communist Party of India, Marxist, is always ready to join and work in these struggles. Thanks.
I'm happy to be here in this seminar on the occasion of Comrade C.R. centenary celebrations. Comrade C.R. was a great visionary throughout his life. He strived for upliftment of the poor and oppressed. Left parties have a great history of participation in people's movements and great role to play in future. As the times changed, market economy entered into all spheres. Social movements also got extended to many areas. Left's participation also increased in these movements. Social movements can broadly be categorized into peasant movements, tribal movements, Dalit movements, backward caste movements, women's movements, industrial working class movements, students movements, middle class movements, human rights and environmental movements also. Tebaga movement, Telangana armed struggle movement and the Naxalite movement, the land grab movement in 1960s and agriculture labor struggles in Kerala since the 1940s reveal the role of left parties in the mobilization of peasants. Telangana armed struggle movement became extensive and continued for a long period because of the intervention of the Communist Party. The same was the case with Tebaga movement in 1946 and 47 and the Naxalite movements in the 1960s. After 60 years of independence, nearly 63% of the population still depend on agriculture for its livelihood. The agrarian structure has undergone a change from a feudal and semi-feudal structure to a capitalist one. Many problems have cropped up to and many movements are required to address the same. The scheduled tribes constitutes 8% of the total population. Tribals are ethnic groups. Most of them live in forests. They depend on land and forest. They got their own culture. Whenever there is an interference of their lives by outsiders, exploitation, money lenders, land and forest problems, struggles have come up. In Naxalbari movement in West Bengal and Andhra Pradesh, tribals fought under communists against the exploitation. The scheduled castes are known as Harijans, a term coined by Gandhi, but many of them prefer to be called as Dalits today. They constitute 16% of India population, 36% of them are workers. Of these workers, 48% are agricultural laborers. Many of them are in flaying, scavenging, many of them are landless and depend on work in others' land for livelihood. Many of the movements came up under Ambedkar. Now many militant groups have come up, but still much is needed. The International Women's Decade 1975 to 85 has brought to light issues related to women, gender-based discrimination and inequality are main issues. People's for Group, PWG in Andhra Pradesh formed a separate women's organization, Progressive Organization of Women, POW in Hyderabad. It has taken up women's issues such as violence against women in the family, rape and molestation. In Tebaga movement and Telangana movement, women's participation was in good number. The issues of rape, sexual harassment in workplace, violence against women in the family and the public sphere have been major issues now. Under AITUC, many movements for upliftment of industrial workers came up. Gherao came in 1960 in West Bengal. Many strikes were organized. AITC was formed in 1920 from 1947. It is under the influence of Communists and led many struggles. Civil Liberties Committees is against state violence. To protect human rights, PUCL, APDR, APCLC, PUDR and the CPDR are working actively. In every movement, left's active participation is there. But in the changed climate by market economy, every day a new problem is coming up. Much work is to be done. Much planning is required. Many struggles to face. Let us arm ourselves fully to create a bright future for all. Left parties have a great history of participation in people's movements and great role to play in future. As the times changed, market economy entered into all spheres, social movements also got extended to many areas. Social movements are not the concern of political people only. One who is interested in understanding the nature of state, political power and conflict in society must study social structure, social process, culture, economic structure and the interrelationship between them all. Historical studies enrich our understanding present. A social movement, a deliberate collective endeavor to promote change in any direction and by any means. From the beginning, left parties